Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. Welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. So today's video is going to be a recap. It is currently 9:18 in the morning, so the market's only been open for like 45 minutes, and we're already done for the day. It was not a good performance day on my part, and so we're going to recap why it wasn't, recap the good trade that I did have, and then why we're done and how we can improve going forward. I think those are all very important things. So if you didn't know, we're actually live streaming every single morning, Monday through Friday at market open. So make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification, come back to this channel every morning at market open if you want to watch live day trading of futures. Today's live stream ended like 15 minutes in because we had 3 losers back to back. My rule is 3 strikes, I'm out. I didn't follow that today. I killed the stream and then saw opportunity, and so I took it. That is a problem that I need to get better at. Following my rules, not revenge trading, etc. It is very hard for me to do. It's very hard for a lot of traders, and so I'm saying this to be vulnerable and to let you know that I still struggle with it. I'm sure a lot of people do, but I am working actively to get better at it, and I want to encourage you that you're not alone. Let's get better at it together. So the 3 trades this morning that were on the live stream got instantly stopped out and instantly stopped out again. The market was moving. So we had an 80-point 5-minute opening range. So the first 5 minutes of the day was an 80-point dump. Normally that's like very aggressive if you're not familiar. And so we were trying to buy the dip because the trend is just monstrously up. And every day, basically, you buy the dip and you end up green. So I was trying to buy the dip early on and got stopped out 2 times in a row. And then I tried to short, seeing that we were like kind of rolling over a little bit, coming up on VWAP. I decided to get short, got stopped out, killed it at that point. So this was the end of the stream, 15 minutes in, 3 losing trades. That's my rule, 3 strikes, I'm out, right? And then I see it start to roll over again. So I was like, okay, like I just need to, this is the better short. I see a lot of buying come through, so I flip long, and then we just rode the long all the way up for 40 points or whatever. That brought us to being $740 in the green after being down $1,200, $1,300, 20% win rate, 80% losing trades. This is just horrific, right? For me, at least. I don't like this. I like it to be literally reversed. I like an 80% win rate, 20% losing trades. And today just was not that. And so while this trade was great, it made me a ton of money. It ended my day green, etc. Everything prior to that was, these 2 trades were fine. And then getting stopped out here was just not great. So looking forward into the future, how am I going to be improving? 1, following my 3 strikes, I'm out. I should have closed my browser. I kept my browser open after I ended the stream. Anytime, and I tell myself this all the time, anytime I have my browser open, I am pretty much going to be taking a trade because my mind always sees opportunities, right? And if I'm really trying to not do anything else the rest of the day, I have to literally close my browser. So maybe that's something that might help you in the future, right? Is to literally close your browser. And while I ended today green, trading wise, like profit wise, I was green. Trading wise, I was red, right? So definitely got a lot of room for improvement. Trading is endless improvement, right? There's no day that you're going to be the best, always and consistently. So we're just going to keep grinding on. But quick day today. That's the recap. Just a couple of trades, getting stopped out trying to catch the bottom, getting stopped out trying to catch the top, and then finally riding with the trend. And now the trend is just continuing to rip because the Nasdaq's insane. So if you are not part of the free group chat, it is linked down below. Again, I do trade on Top Step, so I don't have to risk my own money. While it sucks to lose $1,200, it sucks a whole lot more to lose $1,200 of your own dollars in your cash account as opposed to trading on Top Step. Top Step allows me to trade their money, and I get to keep 80% of the profits that I make. And it's a 2-step process. So 2-step process, you prove to them that you're a good trader, and then you get to trade their money, keep the profits. That's what we're doing today. That's what I do on stream. It helps alleviate a lot of the stress and emotional capital needed. You can get 20% off your shot at doing that, linked down below. Also, we have a free group chat, which is linked down below. That's where I hang out whenever I'm not on stream. So I'm chatting in there a lot. Definitely come hang out with me there. And a reminder, we are live every morning, Monday through Friday. So definitely subscribe. and come hang out. Click the little bell notification so you know when we're going live. If you enjoy these types of recaps, make sure you press the thumbs up button. And press the thumbs up button if you are always trying to get better yourself. Again, I am not perfect. I am not a perfect trader, but I am striving to be better every day. And this is one of those ways I need to be better, is by literally closing my browser. Because while I ended green, it still feels like I ended red. So I gotta improve. So I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will see you next time. Peace.